few weeks ago I had to do some unexpected maintenance for a probably very unusual issue. I'd been riding MX at a track that were a bit wet, quite wet in some sections. So the bike was very dirty. When I got back and should clean it, I saw something strange that looked like it was leaking oil from the engine. But the strange part is that there isn't any oil there, so then I got really surprised. What is it? And this area here, in some models, previous models, they had an oil pump there, but there isn't any oil pump in this one, so it should be kind of in a void space. So I was wondering, why is it coming oil there? Shouldn't be able to come some oil. So I opened it up, and then I got the surprise of the year. As you can see here, it was pretty full of dirt and pieces of wood and other things, and I was like, what is this? How did it get in there, and why is the engine still running? So that was a big surprise, and as you can see here, it's pretty big pieces, so it's not that it's leaking a little bit and going in like that. So I started to take it out and clean it up and see what is it, and then I could see that some light came in from the top. But I've never seen any crack or hole or anything, and I felt with my hand behind the pipe here. And then I could actually feel that there is a hole. As you can see here, I can put a screwdriver down there, and that was really surprising. And now I understand how it's possible to get big pieces of dirt and stones and pieces of wood and stuff in there. And I contacted the manufacturer and asked them, what is this? Is there a crack in my bike, or is there a big hole, or should it be like this? They said that there is a hole there from the manufacturing side. I really didn't get a good answer if there should be some lid or something or to block it, but whatever. I blocked it myself with some silicone, so it's not coming in there. And if I take a look at the spare part catalog for the engine, there isn't any hole or a plug or anything in there, so it's really strange. But it must have been on the versions where they use the oil pump. There must be something going in there that makes everything tight, so there isn't any hole. So I cleaned it up and tried to run it again, and of course it was working. It's no problem. It isn't a big issue, but it shouldn't get in that much dirt. And it was very, very, very surprising for me. But this is something for someone that would like to buy a bike like this, or maybe someone who has got a bike and can check if they have a cover or a plug for this hole, because you can't really see. I can't see it when I do like this. It's impossible to see as long as you have the pipe on. You can probably see it when you remove the fuel tank, because then you can see more straight down there. I can feel it, the silicone I put there, when I do put my fingers down, but it's actually not easy to get the fingers down there even. So it was a really big surprise to me that it came out something there. And of course now I'm happy that it was just water coming out there, so it wasn't an oil leak, because why would it go up oil there? So, but now I put silicone and there is nothing going in anymore, so everything works as it should. But it was a surprise. So with that said, if you found some value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos about this bike and other Chinese dirt bikes. To support the channel, thank you very much for watching, and until next time, have a good day.